So we have a tremendously bad floor in a retail space.
It's in bad shape.
I don't know what they did to this floor, but it's just awful.
They definitely had moisture issues.
They clearly have moisture issues, and they have oil issues and a whole bunch of bad stuff going on here, Troy. So how do we resurrect this and turn this into a metallic floor that the retailer wants?
So we're gonna demo this floor out, get all the tile, get everything pulled off of it, because really, you're not gonna sure what's going on underneath that till you have that gone. So once we have it all demoed, we're gonna do our patching and repair. Probably gonna use DuraCrete because it doesn't bother by moisture moving up underneath the slab. Once all the repairs are done, we're gonna come in and get it to a CSP of 3. We're gonna use our Vapor Band ER primer, and then we're gonna put NXT Level Plus on top of it. And the reason we're doing the NXT Level Plus is we really want a flat, smooth floor for our metallics. You wanna have that really, really nice look. And that's, when you do the levelers, you're gonna get a very flat floor. Once that's done, we're gonna use our urethane primer to bond our polyaspartic to the top of our leveler, do our black base coat, do our metallic floor, and we're good to go.
Cool.